Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, I have this cool episode here, and pretty much what this is a small hole repair. And you can see for this one in particular, it's from the 3M brand. And for this product, when you guys do use it, it's a 3-in-1. It gives you guys the option on top right here for it to smooth it. Bottom part right here, we do have the option for it to sand it. And we guys open the inside. That is where we're going to squeeze it out to apply it onto the hole when you guys do use it, which is really convenient. And when you guys look at the front, they do tell you guys how it's all in one in terms of what's included. And for this product, when you guys do use it, if you guys want to wear gloves, feel free to do so. But after you guys do use it and before you do use it, you do want to wash your hand to make sure it's clean. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually go test it out to show you guys when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I don't have a small hole, but I do have a big hole. Let's try to test it out to see what actually works. So I'm going to apply it on. Once you guys apply it on, you guys want to smooth it out. So just go like this. Once you guys apply it on, you guys can use the sanding part right here to sand it out and do it nice and slowly. It looks so much better when you guys cover it up, if you can see. If you guys want to add another layer, feel free to do so. But you can see if you guys want to use it for big holes like this, it still works. Alright, welcome back guys. So next look at test the product, definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So for this too, it's actually very convenient, especially if you guys are living in an apartment or something. If you guys do make a hole in the wall, maybe for like hanging your painting or hanging like art or something, or some kind of picture frame or something, then that is where one of these actually comes in handy to help you guys fill up the hole, which is pretty cool. And when you guys apply it on, it literally does not take that long. It's actually very easy, just like how you can see in the video. Once you guys squeeze it out and smooth it out, you can sand it out as well. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys on the market looking for a high quality product to fill up those small little holes on your wall, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously if you told you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.